Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today's video is all about the blends markers and a few different techniques you can do with them. Maybe you've never thought of these before. I've been using the blends for just over a year and I absolutely love them. They are so easy to use, and even for a non-artist like me, they make my coloring look fantastic every time. Here's an example. This is one of the very first things that I colored with blends. It might have been the first thing I colored with blends at a demonstrator meeting, and I think it looks beautiful. I didn't think it was going to turn out so well as it did. I know you've seen me use blends in previous videos, and if you've come to my classes, you've probably even tried them yourself. And recently I learned a couple more amazing things that blends can do, and I just had to show them to you. Even if you find it daunting to color in a full picture like this one, or choose colors like I've done on these projects here, this video might just make you fall in love with blends for some of the more subtle and unexpected things you can do with them. The cardstock measurements that you need for this very simple project are a card base of 8.5 by 5.5 inches, a black layer that measures 3 3/4 by 5 inches, and a piece of designer series paper that measures 3 5/8 by 4 7/8. So for this card, I'm using the Peaceful Poppies designer series paper, and I've got some of the blends that coordinate with that paper. I've also got some of the Crinkled seam binding ribbon, some pearls, and a piece of black cardstock that I've already embossed with white embossing powder. Now, being able to emboss on black cardstock really creates a different and striking effect, but I'm going to make it even more awesome when I take my dark Blackberry Bliss blend and color over the embossing powder. Doesn't that look awesome? Now, using that white embossing powder, you can turn it into any color embossing that you want. But that's not all, because the next thing we're going to do is color on this seam binding ribbon. I'm going to put a couple of extra layers of paper down before I do this, because blends do go right through the paper, as you can see from when I was doing this earlier today. Look at how cool that looks. And guess what? You can do the same with pearls. It's easiest to leave them on the sheet while you're coloring them, and then just take them off when you're ready to attach them to your project. All right, now that I've done all this fun coloring, I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you can share the video for a chance to win this card. Comment below and let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. So like I said, even if you feel intimidated by coloring in great big blank images, blends are still so valuable for your crafting. And at $6 each, they are so affordable as well. So if you're just starting to build your blends collection, my advice is to look at a designer series paper that you love and then buy the blends that coordinate with that. And then you'll automatically have some great projects to use them on. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, my local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200, or contact me and we'll start planning an online or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!